Hi, I'm Victor, CEO and founder of GuideDoc, a documentary streaming platform available worldwide. And I have been working with NiviData since 2 years ago, more or less, and it's one of the best decisions of my life. Currently, the team of NiviData are in charge of all the technology part behind the platform of GuideDoc. iOS app, Android apps, servers, and the website, of course. And I'm very happy to work with them because they are very good professionals. They are always there to help with our problems or our tech issues, and they have a lot of initiative, and I consider the team like my CTOs from this project. And in the other hand, and for me more important, all the team of NiviData are very good people, and I'm very happy to work every day of my life with Hitesh, with Shuraj, with Pooja, with Gunjan. I'm very happy. So thank you very much, NiviData, to help to improve and to help to run this difficult project. Thank you.